Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little share. I received this fancy bowl from Tree, who I won a giveaway from her channel, and this was included, but the original person was Katzel Create here on YouTube. I'll leave both of their links in my description box below so you can go and check them out. But this acetate cutout, you can see, makes these bows. So let me show you real quick what you want to do. And this is the paper I'm using. There's the name. It's upside down, yeah. The name and the paper. So what you want to do is lay it on the paper and, you know, just trace it out as you normally would trace anything. Okay, so once you get the trace, I already have one traced out, you are going to cut it. So you want to cut it out, and you could probably find a die for this. You could probably do it on either of your cutting machines, but it's really kind of simple once you get going. You can do like maybe an assembly line type. But okay, so I already have one cut out. So what you are going to do is just fold these two in, and you want to adhere them. I'm using hot glue right now, so let me just put some in the middle, add the glue that side, and do this side. So they should be pretty secure. And then you're going to take these two and adhere them toward the middle. Let me just add more hot glue. And get that secured down. I'm always burning my fingers, so you wonder why. Look. And I do have the things for the covers for my finger, but yeah. So there it is. Once you get it started, or once you get it all folded toward the middle, then you can take whatever flowers you have, and that might have been too much, but, and embellish your center of your bow. And there you go. So simple. You can use other things, pearls, jemmies, other bows. But yeah. So thank you Tree, thank you Kathy for this crazy little thing that makes these cute little bows. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Welcome to my new subbies, and for those of you returning, welcome back. Please like and subscribe, and for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, Shaka!